Oh my gosh, guys. I am back from Dallas and look what I got. Oh my gosh. It's a 3-in-1 styler from Envy Wigs. This, you guys, is a game changer. This works on synthetic, heat-friendly synthetic, and natural hair. So if you are looking for something for all of your hair, this is going to be the dream come true. I've already opened her up. You get a small round brush to straighten, and then the air comes out of here. Cool air. It has a cool shot. I'm going to go into a video about that. Then a bigger style. Now, I've already tried this, and it gives these kinds of waves. These kind of just waves, so it's not stick straight as you apply heat, but just nice, gentle waves, which is how I like to style my long wigs. And then it also has a regular, kind of standard, what I'd call curling iron, where you can wrap the curl and make it more tendrily. So excited to get to all of my wigs. So I have to show you, I got back from Dallas with all my hair, and excuse the mess, but it's unpacking, right? So we have all of the girls have had a bath that I took to Dallas. And now they're going to be set up on my little wig head here. And we are going to go to town styling and making these girls back to the beautiful hair that they started at. Can't tell you enough. This releases October 1st. So excited for you guys to try. There'll be links all over for you to use our discount codes. And I'm so thrilled. It is an amazing product. Life changer. It's going to change all of our wigs and all of our lifestyle. So happy. Cheers.